Welcome to channel's Upskill Program. My name is Fian, also known as Kate.
Hi, my name is 𝐒𝐊𝐈𝐔𝐒 and I'm a content creator at channel's Upskill Program.
Hi guys, my name is Tường Vi.
Hello everyone, my name is Uyên Linh.
Hi, my name is Gia Khánh and I'm an ambassador of Genius Upskill Program.
Hello everyone, my name is Naya and I'm the GUP Ambassador.
Hello everybody, my name is Joanne.
Hi everybody, I'm Thức, a student of Gia Đình High School.
I'm 16 years old and currently live in Ho Chi Minh City. I'm the ambassador of GUP 2020.
At University of Pharmacy and Medicine, as well as an ambassador in YouTube team at GUP. I'm working for GUP as an ambassador in public relations and fundraising department.
I'm so proud to be an ambassador of GUP 2020 as a content writer.
I love reading. I love discovery, and I also love doing something new. And if you are also a challenge lover, why not apply for GUP? See you soon at GUP. Bye.
I'm 22 and I have a few hobbies. My hobbies requires a lot of smart creativity like eating or sleeping. Just kidding. Actually, I really love reading books and researching. So, I'm looking forward to seeing you at GUP. Our two words exactly describing me. It's caring and sharing. And I believe that you guys can also learn various things here. What you waiting for? Let's join us!
And I am 17 years old. I study at Leeuwarden High School. I am ambassador of GUP Channel's Upskill Program and work as a graphic designer. So, nice to meet you and see you later in GUP. To describe myself, there are two words. The first one is hardworking and the second one is open-minded. Thank you.
Personally, I highly recommend you to enter our courses, which will make you very surprised. Bye! Hope to see you there!
One of the most enjoyable things to be an ambassador of GUP is that I can meet a lot of cute people like you. So why don't you apply to GUP now so that we can talk together? So see you then!